here. Do you see eggs? What are those? Yeah, here, take your bucket. Take your bucket. Can you put it in the bucket? Can you put it in? Here, let's show you what the prize is in here, and then you'll get it. Watch. Look. Look for you. Use. Try one. No. Try it. See what I mean? Oh, now do you get it? Here. Yeah. Take your basket. Put them in here. Put them in there. Put it in and let's go find more. Okay? Put them in there. Put it in there. Take your basket. Come on. Do you see any more? Do you see more? Good. Good. Do you see any more? Oh, there's poo-poo out here. Sorry, buddy.
Of course there is.
There's another one. You see any over here? Come over here. Read. That's a tennis ball. Look, what's over there? You see one? You see a blue one? Yeah, that's a snail. A big snail, actually. Look. Wow! Okay, go look on the bench over by your bubbles. Go look over by your bubbles. Do you see any more over there? Open. Oh, careful. 3-second rule. Look.
Sierra, get your head out of the bucket. Teach him the 3-second rule, huh?
I didn't think you could open it, actually. Yeah. Okay, there's 2 more. Take your bucket and go find 2 more. Do you see green ones? You see green? Oh! Okay, 1 more. Can you do it? Goes like that. And look, the Easter Bunny left something for Daddy too.
Oh.
There's 1 more, buddy. Good. Can you find 1 more? No, come here. Come here. Let's not eat them all right now. Come here. Look. Do you see 1 more egg? Move, Bow Wow. All right. Up. Yay! We found them all. Here, watch. Let's not break them because we're going to need them next year, okay? Yay! Can you go take this to... We're not going to eat all of them today. Or right now. Can you go take that to Daddy? Because the Easter Bunny brought that for Daddy.